Hello and welcome to Stock Markets with KR. This is UR because KR is preparing for his CFA exam final week, final leg, and ये भी उनके अब बस अभी सैटरडे को उनकी एग्जाम है तो आई एम विशिंग हिम ऑल द वेरी बेस्ट ऑन द बिहाफ ऑफ ऑल ऑफ हिज सब्सक्राइबर्स एंड फॉलोअर्स एंड लेट्स गेट गोइंग विथ निफ्टी बैंक निफ्टी एनालिसिस फॉर द डे. कैसा रहा आज आपका दिन? ये देखिए निफ्टी के OHLC, you will find that there is some difference between the way I analyze and the way KR analyzes. You will get the best of both the worlds. So Nifty OHLC is here, and if you don't know OHLC, I suggest you please start with the basic videos given by KR. Nifty ended flat yet again, not exactly flat, it lost 70 points, but it somehow managed to end at above 17,200. तो ये अगर आपने देखा होगा मार्केट को तो लास्ट हाफ एन आवर में निफ्टी को ऐसे पकड़ के रखा कि वो ऊपर न जा सके. सो दिस वाज वेरी वेरी डिफरेंट देन द अदर डेज एंड दैट इज वन ऑफ द insights that I have given to you. You please find out, right? Nifty high was 351. So first it opened here, then it went down 170 or 100 points odd. Then it shot up 270 points. Then again it fell 150 points. This is how the market was. रोज का ऐसा ही हाल है. And the thing is 22.9 is the India VIX. During the day it was 23 plus, which is not so good. Let's look at the OHLC of Bank Nifty. And Bank Nifty का OHLC ये है 37,400 dot open हुआ, 100 and almost 200 points down, and the low was 37,156. It broke the low for February in the last week जो था 37,304 का, उसको भी तोड़ दिया, 156 पे आ गया. But then suddenly it found support and it shot up almost 800 points from there, and it ended in the positive, which is a good sign. Now let's look at my way of analyzing the market. And here we are. I use Sher Khan's Straight Tiger software for charting. So this is my setup. This is 50 MA, this is 20 MA, and this is the 200 MA line. This is the RSI, no different than what KR is having. And over here are the Ritik stocks. Ritik stocks, courtesy PR Sundar. He is the one who has coined this term, but I have added SBI in this, because SBI represents the public sector banks, and it is the leading public sector bank in India. तो ये हाल है निफ्टी का. जैसे मैंने बोला, गिरा, एकदम से राइज हुआ, and then again fell. Interestingly, the fall here, there was a great tussle, as you can see, in the last 1 hour. Why was the tussle? Because people, the bears were trying to pull it down. Bears read FIIs, मैं तो बोल रहा हूँ, क्योंकि यहाँ पे FII ने सेल किया, यहाँ पे FII ने सेल किया, ये DII ने बाय किया. अभी numbers are not out, but I believe my guess is around 1,500 to 2,000 FIIs would have bought, and DIIs would have bought, and FIIs may have sold around 2,000 odd crores. So this is the area where the market opened, and this is the area where there was a lot of fighting going on in the last 1 hour. Somehow it was neutralized and it ended just above 17,200. Let's look at Bank Nifty intraday quickly. Chart loading में थोड़ा time हो रहा है, because this laptop is not used to recording the stock markets, because markets with KR का laptop अलग है, and this is my laptop. See, it was a fall of 200 points, then it fell further, almost 37,000 के आसपास आ गया, and then what a rise. If you keep observing my charts, you will see that the indices are hitting resistances, turning down, hitting supports, turning up. ये resistance के नीचे खुला, support के आगे आ गया, फिर वापस ऊपर चढ़ा, hit the resistance, again came down, hit the support, bounced back, hit the resistance, fell, support, consolidation, failed, came to previous close, found support, and again fell. This is how the indices have been moving. And this is the best way to analyze the markets if you keep drawing lines of resistances and supports. Let's look at the daily chart because that's how KR teaches you, right? KR teaches you, and this is Bank Nifty is above 50 MA, ended in green, which is a good thing. RSI को छोड़ दीजिए फिलहाल क्योंकि RSI का मतलब नहीं है देखने को because this market is not direction dependent. ये देखिए, the reason why Bank Nifty failed is one is Fibonacci resistance at 37,900 plus 20 MA का DMA का resistance आ गया. So this was very natural. Let's look at Nifty. Nifty, oh, it's an interesting candle. Nifty is just above Fibonacci. Again, Nifty also hit 20 DMA resistance, but it's far way below the 50 DMA line. So this is the reason why Nifty is weaker than Bank Nifty because Bank Nifty has 50 DMA support. Let's quickly look at Axis Bank. Axis Bank is also not part of the Ritik stocks, but it's again one of the leading stocks. 20 DMA support hai. HDFC is the first of the Ritiks. HDFC has ended kind of flat, did not move because you see why it did not move. There is a 20 DMA resistance. It's very simple. The charting is very simple once you get it, to know it very well. And once again, HDFC Bank coming into that resistance zones of 1520, 30. ये चलता ही रहा है, सालों से चलता होगा शायद. And you see 200 DMA 50, all this MAs are over here, what KR calls them as trifecta. Oh, good word. Triveni Sangam, हिंदी में बोलते हैं जिसको. ICICI बेचारा फेंका गया है. ABG Shipyard is not letting it go up. Infosys was star of the day, but if you see, it has hit 20 DMA, so it is going to face a problem tomorrow, or it may just gap open and take Nifty up also. Kotak Bank 50 DMA resistance, and that is why it came down. Reliance तो आपने देखा होगा why KR exited and see 50 DMA के नीचे close हुआ Reliance. This is not a good sign. 20 के ऊपर 50 के नीचे Reliance जैसा stock को दूर रहना चाहिए, and that is the reason why KR exited at 2447 in his swing position where the buy was done somewhere over here. Why was it done? Because of 200 DMA. And why only on this candle? That you please ask KR. SBIN भी 50 DMA के support पर है. Doji है. Indecisive. And why TCS is suffering? Nobody knows. But people keep buying, right? Because people want to see 4,500 buyback price. So TCS, will it come over here, which is a Fibonacci support, or will it just reverse from here? I don't know. Do you know about this? If you know, please let me know. Now, these are the trading insights which I keep giving every day. And my article is published on investing.com. So if you are not following me on investing.com, please go and follow me on investing.com. And here is, you can read, you can pause the video and have a look at what it is. These are very interesting insights. So if you have not looked at the markets during the day, this is the best way to get acquainted to the markets. And in the end, I always like, what do you feel about this? So please give your feedback in the comment section as well. And these are the levels for tomorrow. In case somebody thinks that ye bhai ne to level to diye hi nahi, KR gives levels. These are the levels, broadly speaking, and these levels, if held on closing basis, there is an opportunity for Nifty and Bank Nifty to move up. लेकिन देख रहे हैं Nifty में resistance की line लगी हुई है, whereas Bank Nifty is slightly better placed than Nifty, and that is why the number of resistances over here are less. But the range of Bank Nifty is far, wider than Nifty. So that is it from me, from the desk of Markets with KR, and I hope that you have liked this video. You will have to bear my voice, bear my way of analyzing with the markets. And if you like my way more than KR, please tell KR about it. by commenting in this section और इस वीडियो को लाइक शेयर सब्सक्राइब कीजिए और केआर को भी विश करते रहिए. Till we meet in the next one, keep learning and keep enjoying life and keep taking small risks because risk के बिना जिंदगी में कुछ नहीं है. Okay friends, see you in the next one.